Sarah had always been interested in health and wellness, but with her busy schedule, it was often difficult to make time to eat a balanced diet. She had heard about the health benefits of Smoothies and decided to give them a try. At first, Sarah was hesitant about the idea of blending fruits and vegetables together, but after doing some research, she realized that smoothies could be a convenient and delicious way to consume the nutrients her body needed. Sarah started experimenting with different smoothie recipes, including ingredients like spinach, kale, berries, and almond milk. She found that not only did these smoothies taste great, but she also began to notice some significant health benefits. Firstly, Sarah noticed that she had more energy throughout the day after drinking a smoothie for breakfast. She also found that she wasn't as hungry between meals, which helped her avoid unhealthy snacking. As she continued to incorporate smoothies into her diet, Sarah also noticed improvements in her digestion. She had previously struggled with bloating and discomfort after meals, but the fiber in the fruits and vegetables in her smoothies helped to regulate. Additionally, Sarah's skin began to look brighter and clearer, which she attributed to the high levels of vitamin C and other antioxidants in her smoothies. Overall, Sarah was amazed at how much of a difference incorporating smoothies into her diet had made. She felt healthier, more energized, and more confident in her ability to make healthy choices, even when she was short on time. What do you think about this? Say it in the comments. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.